If ain't nobody else got it, Forever Grudge got it. And if Dino don't get Tony Bynes, I'm gonna suck I'm gonna suck big countries. Dino, come here.
I like Dino. I like Dino.
Alone.
I'm right, man. We're still going on everything. What a dog.
What's up? You filming today?
I can.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
I'm gonna film my phone. 5, 6, 7, 8. You gonna film my phone?
Yeah. You ain't gonna see shit. That drunk motherfucker be aiming on the ground everywhere.
So there's, what's the race first?
200 on 15 or better. Head up 8 mile poultry.
That's the great. Track rules or grudge rules?
Grudge rules.
You know what grudge rules is?
If you hit the wall and you can still win.
As long as you stay on your side.
Yeah.
Okay. What is it, bro?
Damn.
All right. Here's 15. So we're gonna call a race. We're gonna call a race. Okay. I'm gonna give you 3,000 for this. No, I just want one race at a time. Okay, listen. All right. So we're good.
One race at a time.
How much is that? 15.
You got us in that, right?
Let me do this in my motherfucking mouth.
I don't want you to die like that.
Let me die.
Ready? Yeah. What are you in? 200.
I've been your age. You ain't been mine.
I really beat my age.
Yeah, we're doing 200 pieces.
Beat my age again.
You're 2.
54 years old. There you go. Look good as me. Just make it 3 for ready.
Well, that means you out of it.
No, I'm not. Because what race is this? They got another race? We're good.
Later on, but this just the race with
Tony Bynes.
Tony Bynes.
You know, a lot of time when they have to bet me, they have to go walk home, go to the trailer.
I understand that.
Do like
But
the football
early,
team.
real early.
Hurry up and get the shit
right.
and come back. So I'm waiting on him to come back. He like Ghostbusters for whatever in him. Now you know my money ain't like
Ghostbusters.
Yeah, you know my money ain't like other folks' money.
Right.
See, 10,000 be that high. But now you know I take my money pressed. You know
You got that soft kid.
Oh, you don't know how much. That might be 95.
That might be 95.
It's real tight now.
Hey, but listen, Tony Bynes, I want to say something to you.
Huh?
Why did Smitty?
I'm betting this on Ghostbusters.
And interfere with Dino in trouble. He think, stop.
Y'all
He acts like,
cause y'all ain't no right. Y'all ain't no goddamn race.
To me, you know what Ghostbuster is?
What's going down?
It's gonna be a ghost fucker.
Hey, Tony.
I'm gonna fuck you.
Hey, Bill Murray told me to bet this.
It ain't about that Bill Murray or none of that, right?
You know,
let the man,
a lot of them
let
tell him who Bill
let
Murray.
Dino get his shot. Let Trouble get his shot.
Hold up,
And then the night at 6 o'clock.
I know
Then
you
Ghost can
tell
get
him
his
who
shot.
Bill Murray is. You don't know?
We don't care.
The motherfucker played the Ghostbuster. He know who he is. He know who he is. You better cool him out. Come on, run his goddamn blood pressure up. I got some 200.
Heart attack. Go to a motherfucker house.
Man, Mike Red like something.
Any goddamn thing.
Oh no, he don't.
You shoot him. I'll take all your little bit of fucking.
Well, get him. Cowboy, watch, go get him some dollars.
Cowboy's
He
scared.
beat the shit out of Cowboy.
I ain't fuck Cowboy. I
Cowboy's
said get
scared
some
of me.
dollars.
He got me high.
Y'all, I get Triggaman.
Triggaman and them drivers. Don't worry about Triggaman and drivers. You
Man,
gonna see
they called
Triggaman
you
this
At
evening.
least 400 or 500.
You, mouthpiece.
Minimum.
No,
You said you
mouthpiece on
60 and I won't tell you.
Mouthpiece on Ghostbusters.
There you go.
That's what color Ghostbusters is right now. Mouthpiece on Ghostbusters. Whatever I roll out, that will bet. Me and you.
Throw it.
And put it up. Put up 900.
Put up 900. You gonna make the 900? You gonna make the 9?
No, I'm talking about getting Ghostbusters. That's what I just told
I
you.
thought you were shooting dice.
Oh, shit. You ain't thought I was shooting no goddamn.
You scared of me. I told you. You
thought-
called.
man,
First
listen,
thing when I
I
said
thought-
dice,
all right,
you know what he
listen.
did?
Hold on.
Cowboy. That Cowboy. I done went through
Oh,
Cowboy
you must
too.
be got me fucked up.
No, you got me
I
fucked
drove 9 hours by my motherfucking
What
self. I
Dino
don't
gonna
know
do?
no
You
goddamn
gonna need
cowboy.
somebody to carry you back home? 'Cause you retarded.
I don't need no.
What Dino gonna do?
What Dino gonna do? I guess a gap band?
Hey,
Oh my God.
I'm gonna
That
send
man said Dino
you
gonna
an
gap
autograph. My grandson play for Auburn. What's your name?
It's going down, y'all.
I'm gonna get you know him? Who is this to you? I'm gonna say, give me your address, guys. Where you stay at? You know, I
I'll
don't
give
tell
you
you
my
no
business
business
card. I'm gonna give you my business card.
You got a business card?
I'll give you a business
Now, I respect the man got a business card. You all right? You all right? But you ain't got no money. That's all you got.
Let y'all see Dino.
You ain't got no card.
I ain't come on, goddamn it, I ain't gonna let y'all make all this money on me. Goddamn it, I done said it one time.
Yeah, I let you borrow my charger. Come on now.
You gonna keep scope.
No, I ain't like that. No, come on now. We ain't making no money off you guys. Come on now.
All right, I'm gonna do it one more time for Forever Grudge out of Mississippi, right? I'm gonna tell y'all right now. You know the world famous 6-time world champion Tony Boss Bynes walking over there. Tony Bynes, right? They gave him a ticket when he was in prison. Because he kept throwing his soap down in the shower. Tony, don't drop your soap. Tony said, fuck it, I'm throwing his soap down. But today he running Dino out of the DMV, right? DMV is a faggot ass area. But Dino running Trouble, Chopper, whoever which one it is. And if Dino don't gap Tony Bynes, I'm gonna suck Big Country's dick. Not cock. His dick.
Wait, whoa.
I don't
You want to
give-
film the second? No.
He said, do I need to be down there? Oh, I didn't hear down there.
And if ain't nobody else got it, Forever Grudge got it. Yes, sir.
I said, do I need to be at the 6-6?
Oh, I thought you said, do I need to be down there? Okay.
I like Dino. Who don't like Dino?
Did you hear the bet? You think we gonna bet it? Well, did you hear the bet?
I don't want to know.
I'm hoping like hell Tony I ain't betting no money. I don't want to see that.
wanna see the
I don't want to hear nothing about that. I hope like hell Tony. Wait, whoa. Tony ain't got to win. I hope Tony just be in the paint. Just be in the paint, goddamn.
God damn it, you believe it? Thank you. Fucking crazy. Wow. DMV, baby. DMV. DMV.
Yeah, you ain't want to
Shit. We from Florida, bitch.
Hey, you ain't want to bet it down.
Huh? Dino just took him out. I do anything. I'm not scared of nothing. Dino not scared of nothing. I go down a dirt road. 2 on what?
2 on 10 with the ball. Head the fuck up tomorrow.
I tell you what.
What you
say I'm sorry.
I want you
Wait
to
till
say
tomorrow.
again.
Wait till tomorrow. We'll
I ain't
talk.
waiting to shit.
Man, Dino ain't scared of nothing.
Damn Dino.
I run something over that week, motherfucker. That shit right there ain't show me shit, but get fucked up. 2 on 10, 2 on 15, 2 on 20.
We'll get you.
Fucking do you, boy.
My bad, my bad.
Everybody back up.